The ocean. We have dedicated our lives to it. Through all our campaigns and expeditions, there's something we've come to understand. Our fate and the ocean are one. The ocean is life, but it is facing a critical time. Huge fleets of boats are taking too many fish out of the ocean. The vast majority of commercial species are now overfished or in decline. So the question is, how are we going to respond? Time is running out to take real action. We are stewards of this kingdom. We need to use all our resources to learn everything about the state of our ocean. We need to understand it and do everything we can to take care of it. Can you imagine the ocean without fish? There is still time, but not a lot, to turn things around. The future of humanity depends on healthy oceans.